Hello and welcome. If you're looking to enhance your business communication by integrating WhatsApp directly into your services, you've come to the right place. WhatsApp can be used for personal use, or you can start a WhatsApp marketing business. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to set up the WhatsApp Cloud Business API, including how to obtain your temporary access token, set up your test phone number ID, and much more, so you can test WhatsApp capabilities and functionalities. Let's dive in. Once you have registered as a vendor on whatscampaign.io, you need to log in using your credentials. After successfully logging into your account, you will find the WhatsApp API Setup option under Settings in the sidebar. Clicking on it will take you to the WhatsApp Cloud API Setup screen, where you need to add the required information, such as your Facebook app ID, access token, WhatsApp business ID, phone number ID, webhook, etc. Don't worry, we will guide you on how to obtain all this information. First, you need to create a Meta for Developers account. Head over to developers.facebook.com and sign up or log in using your Facebook account. Once logged in, navigate to My Apps and click on Create App. Choose the Other option and then select Business for your app type. After creating your app, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can retrieve your app ID from the top navigation bar. On this dashboard, you'll add a product. Click on Setup under WhatsApp. This may take you to the Quick Start page, where you need to select your Meta Business account. Once you click Continue, the information will appear on the Quick Start page. Clicking on the Start using API button or API Setup link in the sidebar will take you to the API Setup page. On this page, you will find all the required information you need for the whatscampaign.io WhatsApp Cloud API Setup screen. Here, you can obtain a temporary access token to start testing quickly. However, for the live system, it's recommended to generate a permanent access token, as the temporary one expires in 24 hours. While you can add your own number by verifying and completing the account requirements, you can quickly start with the test phone number provided. On the same page, you will find the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Afterward, for testing purposes, you need to add recipient phone numbers so you can test the system with these numbers. You can add up to 5 phone numbers, which require WhatsApp OTP verification. Once this information is added to the WhatsApp Cloud API Setup screen, you need to set up a webhook. You will need the webhook URL and verification token from the WhatsApp Cloud API Setup screen. Now go to the configuration link in the sidebar on your WhatsApp setup page in your developer account. Click the Edit button in the webhook section, which will open a dialog box where you need to add the webhook URL and token provided by whatscampaign.io. Click Verify and Save. Next, you need to configure the webhook fields so it can send message notifications to our system. For this, click the Manage button. It will open a dialog with different options. Choose Messages and Save. You can click the Test button beside the Messages item so that the whatscampaign.io system knows you have configured it correctly. Now, the API setup is complete. You need to create one contact to be selected as a test contact, which is required when scheduling campaigns. To do this, go to the whatscampaign.io Contacts List page, click on Create New Contact, and add the required information along with the WhatsApp phone number, including the country code, without prefixing 0 or the plus sign. Please note, if you are using the WhatsApp provided test number, ensure you use the test recipient number that you already added to the API Setup screen. Now, you need to create templates within your Meta Business account. Clicking on Manage Templates will take you to the appropriate page to create templates. Once you've created the templates, click on the Sync Templates button so the system can fetch all your templates. Now, the system is ready to send messages. You can either start by sending a template message to your contact, or send a message to the system phone number by scanning the QR code with your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Have any questions or tips for fellow viewers? Leave a comment below. See you in the next video.